Hey everybody, this is Jeff getting his acrylic pour materials ready. He is going to be spinning it today on a machine that is an acrylic spinner that he made himself. Here's Jeff pouring out the beautiful colors. Now let's see what happens, guys. What do you think, Jeff? How do you think the paint's thinned enough? Those are pretty colors.
Let's see.
Really nice. Oh, that's going to be really something to see. I can't wait for you to spin it. Told everyone it's your newest invention, that you made it with things just around the house. Anybody could have do it if they put their mind to it, and it was at no money cost. Look now Jeff is torching it on these acrylic to get the cells to form. He put a special paste that he has, only he has the recipe for, and he put that into his paints and made it spinnable, and so that it will sell up. It may take a little while to do so, but until then, he's got a good start. Look at this, ladies and gentlemen. Let's get a close-up, Jeff. Those colors are gorgeous. Well chosen. And the spinners seem to work perfect, right?
Mm-hmm.
That's really a nice painting. So, whoops. He almost got me, guys.
Pretty much keep it where I want to keep it, though.
Yeah. You can do it at different speeds. Uh-oh. Now, does this prevent you from having to twist and turn the painting?
Yep.
Or does the spinner do that for you?
The spinner does it, everything.
Look, you even made pretty little pathway down on your
this right
chart.
here? Come here.
Let's go
I can
here.
get the whole thing like that.
Let's see that. He bravely adds more paint. There's no stopping this man in his creative adventures. I have them too, but I'm the one that did the recording, so stay tuned to see maybe mine. If this goes well for Jeff, I will absolutely try it if he gets his stamp of approval. Let's see now. He's boldly going where no man would go and adding more paint. What about white? Do you have white, or did you already have enough, do you feel like? Look at his spinning form, guys. That is my baby. Spinning his acrylic pour on a machine, a spinner that he himself designed, engineered, and now has proven that it works. Also, it's very easily taken apart for easy storage. Talk to you later, and stay tuned for Jeff's. And stay tuned for further adventures with Lily and Jeff. Bye now.